Hello everyone, today we are going to make a very nutritious kid snack. It's called soya tikki and we will make it out of the residual soya bean dal that we had after we had extracted the milk from the soaked and pasted soya bean. So here we have the soya paste. Along with this, we will need 2 boiled potatoes. We have roughly crushed them. We will need salt, garam masala, pepper and chaat masala. You can also put any other spices that you like, green chilies, whatever. We will need some coriander leaves also. So add the salt to the potatoes and then we will mash it. We have to finely mash them and add all the spices one by one. This has to be to your taste. If you like to add anything else, you can add those spices also. Since we are making it for young children, I have not made it very spicy. So now let's mash the potatoes well. There shouldn't be any lumps. Once it has been mashed, now we will add the soya bean paste. This is a very fine paste of soya bean. So now we will use our hands to mix both the potatoes and soya bean mixture. So we have mixed it well and now we will add the coriander leaves. We will then make small tikkis out of this mixture. So as you can see, take small balls of this mixture in your hands. Make round balls out of this and then make small rounds. Flatten them by flattening them with your palms and fingers. And then just keep making and putting them in on a plate. So we will do the same for all of the mixture that we have here. We will make as many tikkis as we can make. Try to make uniform sized tikkis here. You can also add green chilies if your child likes it, or a little more cumin seeds to it, and not just the garam masala powder. You can also put a lot of people like dhania or the dry coriander powder. So it's all up to you. You can taste it, use whatever spices you want. So now we have our fry pan. It's getting hot. We'll add the oil to it. We are using very little oil. We are going to pan fry it, but if you want, you can also roast these or bake these in an oven. So lightly grease your pan and then put the tikkis one by one. And now we have to let them turn golden. So after a couple of minutes, you can turn it. Use medium heat for this. We don't want them to burn. It should be like it should get heated throughout. Even though everything that we have put is all cooked, we want them to become nice and crispy and golden. So now our tikkis are ready. You can serve them with your favorite dips. And this is a very nutritious snack for your children as well as you. Hope you enjoy it.